Hello friends, welcome back to the RSM Tech Art YouTube channel. I'm here again with another new video for you all. Today, I'll show you how I earned 50 euros just by playing the Chicken Road game using only BCUR spending. At first, I didn't believe either that you could earn money by playing Chicken Road. I decided to test this site. I deposited BCUR here, and then I started playing the Chicken Road game. So, when I first started playing the game, I lost many times. After spending 10 euros, when I played the game again, I earned 50 euros from here. And I withdrew that amount directly through my bank. As you can see here, this is my withdrawal history. Now let me show you my bank account directly. As you can see here, I have received the reward through my bank account. I'm just giving you a review of this site, letting you know that I was able to earn money here by playing games. If you want to earn money here by playing the Chicken Road game, then click on the link in the description box of my video. That way, this website will appear directly in front of you. By creating an account with your Gmail, you can easily play the Chicken Road game and earn money. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And to get reviews of such earning apps, make sure to hit the bell icon after subscribing to the channel. That way, whenever I upload a video, you'll get the notification before anyone else. So I'll see you in the next video with another new earning app review. Until then, everyone stay healthy and take care. Bye bye.